Very good morning to all of you, my dear students. In this video class, today we will start the second chapter of history, that is socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. These two topics we have to cover in this chapter. It is an introduction video. Already we have completed French Revolution, that is very important for your PT examination. I hope that you will get good marks in the PT examination, as the result will be prepared on the basis of internal assessments only. So students, be careful and mind on your studies. Actually, before going to read this chapter, we have to see an introduction of this chapter, what we have to cover, what we have to read, what points we have to read in this chapter. Okay, so let's see the points. See, in the contents, the age of social change we will read, where we will read three types of ideology: liberals, radicals and conservatives. Actually, these three were the ideology of the people, and we will see which type of people who belong from the liberals, radicals and conservatives. Next, we have to cover industries and social change, as how the industries were set up in Europe and how the society changed frequently, and some about the great personalities who were known as the father of socialism, as Karl Marx was known there, and Robert Owen, Louis Blanc, Frederick Engels. These were the great personalities who were supporters of the socialism. Actually, socialism is an ideology, political ideology or thought, where the people think that the resources which are present in a nation must be occupied by all of the people who belong to that area or that nation. And then after, we have to read the support for socialism. There were some political parties that were formed frequently, as SDP, Social Democratic Party, Labour Party in Britain, Socialist Party in France. All these parties supported the socialism, means this ideology, and they also believed that the resources must be in the hands of all the people who are living there. जो वहाँ पे रह रहे हैं उन सबके अधीन होना चाहिए. Okay. Then after, we have to read the Russian Revolution, economy and society, means what type of economy was there and which type of society division was there. As in French Revolution, as you saw, there three types of divisions of the society was there: first status, second status and third status. That's why just like that, we have to read here in Russia also, that which type of society was there and society was based on which factors. देन सोशलिज्म इन रशिया, कैसे रशिया में भी सोशलिज्म धीरे धीरे फैलना शुरू हुआ. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज लाइक रशियन सोशलिस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी एंड लेबर पार्टी हु वर इन द फेवर ऑफ सोशलिज्म इन रशिया, एंड ऑल्सो डिवीजन ऑफ बोल्शेविक्स एंड मेंशेविक्स, इनके बारे में हम लोग कवर करेंगे. And the most important topic, that is the 1905 revolution, means sudden revolution did not take place there. Small revolutions also took place there for the socialism. So in that way, we have to read the 1905 revolution, in which we will read Bloody Sunday, what the Bloody Sunday was there, St. Petersburg, Father Gappen, elected constitution, parliament or Duma. So what was the effect of that 1905? That was the creation of parliament or Duma, that we will read in the next topic. And about the First World War and the Russian Empire के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ये हम लोग का होगा रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन, इकोनॉमी एंड सोसाइटी, सोशलिज्म इन रशिया, 1905 रिवॉल्यूशन, ब्लडी संडे एंड द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर एंड द रशियन एम्पायर के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो होगा, दैट विल बी द फेब्रुअरी रिवॉल्यूशन इन पेट्रोग्राड. सो व्हाट वर द मेजर इवेंट्स एंड व्हाट वर द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ दिस फेब्रुअरी रिवॉल्यूशन, इसको हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. एंड देन आफ्टर, लास्टली, दैट वाज द मेजर एंड कंक्लूजन ऑफ द रिवॉल्यूशन, दैट वाज द अक्टूबर रिवॉल्यूशन. एंड वी विल नो अबाउट द अक्टूबर रिवॉल्यूशन, व्हाट वर द इवेंट्स एंड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द रिवॉल्यूशन. ये तो जाहिर सी बात है कि कोई भी रिवॉल्यूशन होगा, सो व्हाट द इफेक्ट्स विल बी देयर एंड व्हाट वर द इवेंट्स जिसके द्वारा ये हुआ, इसको हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. देन आफ्टर, द सिविल वार, कैसे रशिया में भी सिविल वार फैला, एंड मेकिंग अ सोशलिस्ट सोसाइटी, स्टालिन, कलेक्टिव फार्मिंग एंड ग्लोबल इन्फ्लुएंस. इस सोशलिज्म का जो रशिया में हुआ, या फिर जो रिवॉल्यूशंस जो रशिया में हुए, उसका पूरे विश्व पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ा, दैट वी विल रीड इन ग्लोबल इन्फ्लुएंस. सो these are some topics, and about which we will read in the descriptive way in the next video. So I have given you only slight information that what the topics we have to read here. Okay, thank you very much, students.